and welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. Today I have the Nuvo glitter markers here. We have 2 new sets to share with you, and I wanted to show you some top tips and some really cool things about them. So you can get the glitter markers either in 3 packs, there's a few different ones available, and I have some of them here to share with you. I'll pop all of them in the video links below in UK links and US links, and then you can get individual ones here too. So I've got lots of different options, and the individual ones are different colours to the ones available in the 3 packs. Plus we have 2 new sets. We have Sugar Rush and we have Tropical Rainforest. Now, these glitter markers are super cool. If you've never seen them before, let me share with you some things that you might not know that you can do with them. So let's open one up. Let's open up the Northern Lights. I think this is probably one of my favourite ones. So inside of here, you've got 3 really bright colours. I also really like that they're kind of like a gritty texture too. Now, one of the design team shared with me that she keeps these cards and then puts them on a book ring so she knows what she's got, which I think is a really smart idea. So there's a top storage tip for you. But what you do when you get these is you're going to open up your glitter marker. It's going to look like this. So you need to prime your glitter marker first. And all you're going to do is you're just going to pop it down on a surface. It's going to be a piece of paper, be a glass mat, anything will work at all. And you're just going to wait until the ink flows all the way down. You don't need to pump it or anything like that. You can just wait for it to come. You can see that the ink is starting to come down a little bit. So it's nearly there. And this one, I'm a very impatient person, but you will see that it comes. It doesn't take that long. It feels like forever when you're waiting because you want to use your pen. But you're just going to wait for that to prime up for a second. You never have to do it again. It's just the first time you get the pen, you need to wait for it to saturate your nib. So it's nearly there because I can see that my pink is starting to come down. This is a really bright, vivid pink, and these are water-based glitter markers. But considering they're water-based, you're going to be surprised some of the things that you can do with them. But we are nearly there. Okay. We're ready to go. So you can see it's ready to write. So let's go on to some cardstock. So I'm going to go down here and you can see how vibrant that is. There is tons and tons of glitter in that cardstock. So of course you can write with them, you know, you can do all those fun things. You can colour with them. And because they're water-based, you can blend colours together too really easily. But look how well it pops on black cardstock. This is one thing that always amazes me, is how well it pops on black. Can you see that? And still all of that amazing glitter. But because it's water-based, this is my favourite thing. So I can scribble on my palette area here, and I can grab my light mist bottle, or you can just use a regular water brush. And I'm going to grab my Nuvo paintbrush, and I can turn this into a metallic watercolour. Isn't that just the coolest thing? Now, I've just stretched my glitter marker into being a metallic watercolour. Plus, I can do the same thing on black. So if I go back in and I scribble down again, and I just pull in this little bit of water, because I've already got some here, and I do it on the black, again, I just create, and it does have a little bit of a pink tinge, but I could put this over anything. So I could colour, and then I could put it just over the top, and look at how much dance I have on my black. So I can colour with anything, and then I can add this glitter in. Now this does have that pink tinge. It looks like a lighter pink than of course on the white, but on this one, it's just kind of like that just amazing glitter thing. But here you've got the bright pink, and then you can turn it into a lighter pink watercolour. So I love these Nuvo glitter markers, and you can do it with all of these kind of more neutral tones in the Tropical Rainforest. You can do it with the Sugar Rush with these baby tones. You've got individual colours here. You've got greens and purples and blues. You've got a light pink. You've got your Ember glows. These Embers are amazing, and come Christmas, you will find this is one of your favourite sets. You've got Midnight Shadows, which is your blues and your silvers. The Urban Graphite, which was actually in one of the Tonic hits recently, you can do the same. And the Iced Americano, which is a fantastic kind of whitish gold. like a rosy gold. So tons and tons of color options. As I say, I will link everything in the video description below for you. And if you are going to invest in your glitter markers, don't forget to become a Channel Perks member, because you can get 10% off of your Tonic Studios purchase in the UK and in the USA, plus tons of other companies. It is well worth it. You can save a ton of money on all your crafty shopping. We have 10% off, $5 off a purchase, €5 off purchases, free shipping from some companies. It is well worth it. Plus, you help support the Hedgehog Hollow, which we really appreciate. Don't forget to hit that join button next to the subscribe button when you ring that bell as well, or links in the video description for you too. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. Hopefully you learned something new to do with your glitter markers, or maybe you're now just about to add some to your cart and add those to your crafty stash. They are super versatile. And I will see you again tomorrow with another tip, trick, tutorial, or maybe something else new. I cannot wait to share something with you. We've got some fun things coming up here at Hedgehog Hollow. Don't forget, as I say, to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and hit that join button to save on all of your crafty purchases. I'll see you again tomorrow. Happy stamping. Bye.